Hello, I'm John Lepore. I'm CEO of the flagship company ProFoundry Therapeutics, and delighted to be here to answer some interesting questions. The first one is, can you tell us a little bit more about the company and what it does? We're a biotech platform company that has a very unique positioning of identifying completely novel proteins from the human genome, and then we identify which of those have the most interesting biology that enable them to be novel drug targets to bring important new medicines to patients. How has the ProFoundry platform progressed over the last year? Well, the ProFoundry platform is our integrated suite of wet lab capabilities and also a very rich database of these novel proteins. And it's progressed very importantly over the past year by us having studied many more tissue types to understand the full breadth of novel proteins that are expressed, and also very significant progress in identifying which of those proteins are very important as potential drug targets. The question is, as interest in the expanded proteome grows, how do you think about ProFound's position in the field? Really important question, and as a biomarker for how interest in this field is growing, over the past 18 months, we've signed 4 different collaborations with pharmaceutical companies, with GSK, with Pfizer, and with Novartis. And the reason these companies are interested is because the targets we're identifying are completely novel. They have important information that suggests that they're going to add to our understanding of disease and hold promise to be first-in-class medicines for patients. So really exciting to see interest in the field expanding in this way. And the last question is, how do you decide which discoveries from the expanded proteome are most likely to become real medicines? Also a really important question, and the key is to understand what is the biology of these proteins, which ones are very integral to the pathogenesis of disease, and which ones, for example, have a genetic link to the disease, telling us it's most likely to be causal as a protein. And what we do is serially find the ones most promising and advance them forward as drug discovery programs, both internally and with our partners. And we're really excited about the types of targets we're identifying that open up important new opportunities for patients. Thank you very much.